Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set a live wallpaper on your Android phone using content from Pinterest. If you found an animated wallpaper or video on Pinterest that you want to use as your home screen or lock screen background, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Pinterest app on your Android and find the live wallpaper. Next, save the video or animated file to your device if the option is available. If the content cannot be downloaded directly from Pinterest, you may need to save it using the creator's provided download option or another supported method. After that, open your phone's wallpaper settings by pressing and holding an empty area of your home screen and selecting Wallpaper and Style or Wallpapers. Choose the option for live wallpapers or video wallpapers. Next, select the video to downloaded from Pinterest. You can then choose whether you want to apply it to your home screen, lock screen, or both. Confirm your selection and your new live wallpaper will be applied immediately. Keep in mind that some Android devices may require a built-in video wallpaper feature or a third-party live wallpaper app to use videos as wallpapers. And that's it. That's how you can set a live wallpaper on Android from Pinterest. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.